In this video, I'm going to be explaining aspects in Vedic astrology. So, every planet will be aspecting the house directly opposite from it. So, if I'm Mars, directly in front of me, whatever house that is, Mars is looking at that. So that means that house is activated when that planet is the Mahadasha Lord. So the third house and the ninth house are opposites. So if you have Jupiter in the third house, when you're in Jupiter Mahadasha, the ninth house is activated no matter what. Now, so let's say you are a Aries ascendant. What that means is Aries controls your first house. What houses is Jupiter going to rule? The ninth house and the 12th house, because Sagittarius is the ninth sign and Pisces is the 12th sign. And Aries is the natural first sign, so all the houses are in their natural order. First house has Aries, second house has Taurus, the second sign. The third sign, Gemini, is in the third house. And so the ascendant shows you like the order of the houses, the signs in your houses in your chart. Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Rahu, and Ketu have a special aspect. Every other planet always aspects the 7th position away from itself, but these planets have special aspects. Mars will aspect the 4th position from itself, the 7th and the 8th. Jupiter will do 5, 7, 9, and Saturn will do 3, 7, 10. Rahu and Ketu also do 5, 7, and 9. And so, let's say you're using normal Parashari Vedic astrology techniques. Parashari is just like this typical Jyotish that people are doing on the internet. If Mars' 4th aspect is on a planet, 7th or 8th, that means Mars' qualities are going to be on that planet. So let's say you have your moon, and your moon is being aspected by Mars. You're going to need to exercise more because you're going to have more activity hormones according to primal diet. So Mars is energizing your mind and emotions. It's creating anxiety. It's creating aggression. That's what Mars is going to do. It's going to energize you. But Mars is a malefic planet, so it creates this negative tension. And so you have to spend that. So if Saturn was in the first house and Moon was in the third house, Saturn's third aspect would be hitting the Moon. And so Saturn's third aspect, that's going to delay the Moon. It's going to make the mind more heavy. It's going to slow things down. You're probably going to be more mature, less enthusiastic, things like that. Because Saturn is also a malefic planet, so it has a negative impact, but there's also positives associated with it too. Now, for example, Jupiter is the most benefic planet. And so Jupiter expands things, it protects things. So let's say, for example, you have a debilitated Venus. Your Venus is in a weak position, and your relationships are going to be damaged as a result. If Jupiter is 1, 5, or 9 positions away from your Venus, that means Venus is getting aspected by Jupiter. That means even though you're going to struggle in a relationship, you're going to learn and come back from it, and you're going to expand through lessons.